Hey everybody, Sarah and Matt from RV Travel Adventures. Today we're going to talk about making the perfect pizza on your griddle without burning the crust.
And spoiler alert, it's all about the cooling racks.
Start with a nice hot griddle. We've got a 22-inch Blackstone model here that fits 2 of these cooling grates. We got one in there ready to go. Start off by cooking some Italian sausage. We like to use Italian turkey sausage. Chop it up, get it nice and cooked up, and that's going to be our topping for our pizzas. I've also got some cheesy bread on there as a little snack while we're cooking. Cheesy bread and the turkey sausage came off all around the same time. Got a nice, perfect, crispy crust on the bottom of our cheesy bread. Got about 5 different types of cheeses on there. Once our pizzas are ready, go ahead and throw the second cooling rack on there and slide our pizzas right on. They're all topped and loaded. The key is we like to use a pre-cooked crust. We used naan, which is our favorite, but you can use any pre-made crust. Just don't want to put raw dough because of the cooling grates. Close the lid up, let them cook, and in a very few amount of minutes, there you go. You've got a nice crispy bottom, nice cheesy gooey top, individual pizzas, again on your favorite pizza crust of your choice. Using those cooling racks will give you a nice crispy bottom without burning them, but still allow you to generate plenty of heat to melt your cheese and keep your toppings nice and toasty warm. So there you have our trick for making a perfect pizza on a griddle. Hopefully this helps you guys out in the long run. If you got tips of your own, share them with us down in the comments. If you got questions, feel free to send those over as well. If you like our content, make sure you like and follow along our journey for more exciting adventures. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.